Why did you enter this competition?
I like to sing.
A lot of people like to sing. You can sing, but you're an inexperienced performer with a Polish name entering a competition that relies on
This far.
Sing from here.
Does he know what he's doing?
He's not a real manager or anything, but he has a lot for me.
We can do a lot more.
You can do this, Violet. You can do this. Sing from your heart.
I had a way, my own. I had a heart.
We would like to offer Violet a contract, but you have to sign before the show or it's a no-go. That's the deal.
Sleeping now, the dark is too hard to be. You show the lights that stop me, turn to stone. You shine it when I'm alone. Why me?
You're a caterpillar. We're a cocoon. Maybe together we make a butterfly.